Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So I have news about Notcoin here. Phase 3 has been started, so it's really amazing. I have a lot to say about it. So when you go to Notcoin Explorer, you see Notcoin has 40 million users total and 1.5 million USD earned by Explorer from 20 campaigns. So the system has been changed, and it moved forward to something like advertise a product on like YouTube, like TikTok, but in Telegram. So from now you can stake about I think the lowest price is $25,000 to create your advertisement on Notcoin. So over 40 million users can see your advertise. So the price is gonna be increased and different in how to do the task. You can set your promote your YouTube, advertise your YouTube channel, advertise your Telegram channel, your business, everything in Notcoin. So the phase 3, it's about advertisement and tasks. So and it's been leveled by Notcoin that you had. So if you see the Explorer, phase 3 has been started, and you can create your advertise and you can send it to Notcoin team. They will check it, and if everything was right, everything were correct, they were gonna advertise your anything, YouTube channel, Telegram, your product, your website, everything actually. And it's something like they built something like YouTube and TikTok that you can advertise your system or your product, your page, your everything that you want. So this is on phase 3. So let's get to Explorer here and see what we have here. So in new version, you don't need to actually use phone to use this Notcoin. You can log in by your desktop Telegram. You can connect your wallet. You can connect it to Telegram wallet or Townkeeper or any wallet that supports the Ton and Notcoin. Sorry. And the important thing is here. It depends on how much Notcoin you had or how much you engaged in this game. You have been in a level. So mine is bronze level. So the biggest level is platinum. So you can access more tasks. You can earn more monies. You can advertise more. You can do a lot of things, but you should start staking Notcoin from this number. So you can access platinum, you can access gold, and mine is bronze now. So the bronze is in lowest speed, and you can level up here. But level up is not just by staking Notcoin. You can stake your stars. So you can actually stake your coin with stars. It's not should be the Notcoin. So this stars in it's in major robots. You can collect the stars in major robots, but you should have the premium Telegram, and sorry, you should be in a region that support the uh, major, and this major robot actually use, in this case I will create a video, a full video of this one. And you can earn more and more and more if you spend and stake more. You will have more tasks here. You can earn a lot more tasks, and you see no active pools right now. I had 2-1 and both of them are done. So there are new tasks here that you can earn it, but in some of them you should stake Notcoin, but in some of them you don't need to stake. You just need to follow the pages, follow the communities, and or connect your wallet like this one. You can create your campaign, and with Notcoin, and it's a task here. You should see Notcoin Explorer, you should connect your wallet, you should hold at least 130 tones, and join partner channels, update beta features, special offers. So you will have tasks, you can earn more, and you can advertise yourself, and you can get more reward. So, but there are also some tasks that doesn't need to stake any money. So in this one you should hold at least 5 tones, and others are follow Twitter accounts, and watching some website, connecting wallet, something like this. And in this one actually you should have tone again. So campaigns, it will be update every day, and you'll have new tasks. Like others create the tasks, like they pay money to advertise themselves, like this one, Tone Poker, or Tone Space, this Catizen game, and Gato. All of them has been advertised here to earn and not going and do the tasks. So it's on phase 3, so we are on phase 3 now. So let's get back to not going here. Everything seems like this Telegram, it's been moving forward to be like something like TikTok and YouTube, and hold their users to keep the users to be engaged in the system, to do the advertise, be like YouTube, and a lot of things. You see new tasks here. So I'm gonna search more about this, and in phase 3 actually we will have a lot of new things, and this is just most trusted actually Web3 on Telegram, because it's for Telegram actually. But if you want to earn more, you can move to Platinum or Gold, and you can pay by stars here. You don't need to actually stake the tone, but you can stake the tone and earn money. In here you can level up and withdraw to your wallet, do everything that you want. And I checked CoinMarketCap to see the chart of Notcoin. In one day there was a lot of tolerance in one day that this phase 3 happened, but when you see in a week there is not a lot of changes, and this is gonna be uh, something that you can work on it, but don't stake on any project. I always say just use it as a hobby and do it on your free times, and you can invite your friends that are not in Notcoin and earn 50% of bonus, and if they level up you will earn more and we're gonna have more tasks. So this system actually it's gonna be on it's gonna be changed to something like for promotion advertisement, like YouTube, TikTok, and other systems. So I'm gonna search more to see what's gonna happen, and I'm gonna create more videos about this phase. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell. And as I say, don't trust any of these games. Just use it as a hobby. Don't pay a lot for them. Don't trust any of them. Even I don't trust Notcoins. Just do it as a hobby and see what happened here. But for professional system, that people who creates Web3 games or they have YouTube channels, it's actually a good economy to advertise their system and or selling their products or everything else. So thank you so much for watching this video.